Today is a special day, a day of joy, a day of celebration, a day of honor man whose life has become a blessing to millions. Happy birthday to His Excellency President Poul Kagame. You are not only the President of Rwanda, you are the heart of our nation, the light that guides our people, and the voice that reminds us that we can always rise higher. On this day, we celebrate your strength, your wisdom, and your love for your country. We celebrate your courage to dream and your power to turn those dreams into reality. You have shown us that leadership is not about power. It's about service, sacrifice, and vision. You lifted Rwanda from power to peace, from silence to confidence, and from survival to success. Mr. President, we thank you for your tireless work, for your discipline, your example, and your inspiration. You make us proud to call ourselves Rwandans. You make us believe that the future will be even brighter. Today we say it loud and clear. We are happy to have you, we are proud of you, and when the time comes again, we will choose you once more. Because you are more than a leader, you are a symbol of hope. May this birthday bring you peace, laughter, and blessing. May God keep you strong and healthy, so you can continue leading this beautiful nation to even greater heights. Long live President Poul Kagame, long live Rwanda, long live the dream we were breed for all of us. Happy birthday to you, our President Poul Kagame.